You usually don't see it coming. One day your garage door feels a little heavier than normal. Maybe it makes a louder noise. Maybe it jerks on the way up, and then suddenly it just stops. That's almost always the moment people realize how important the springs really are, and why garage door spring replacement in Salt Lake City isn't something you can put off. Those springs carry the weight of your entire garage door, and when they wear out or break, the system loses its balance. The opener struggles, the door becomes unsafe, and in some cases it won't move at all. And here's the part most homeowners don't hear enough. When a spring goes bad, it's not just a small repair. It affects everything connected to it. Your opener, for example, might still try to lift the door, but it's not designed to handle that kind of load on its own. That's why, if you've been noticing strain, noise, or delayed response, it may be time to consider garage door opener installation in Salt Lake City along with the spring replacement. A properly matched system keeps everything running smoothly and prevents future issues. In more urgent situations, like when the door is stuck open late at night or won't close at all, you're not thinking about long-term plans. You just need it fixed. Well, that's where emergency garage door repair in Salt Lake City becomes critical. Fast service, safe repair, and getting your home secured again without delay. But sometimes, a broken spring is just the tipping point. If your garage door is older, worn, or has needed multiple repairs over time, it might make more sense to step back and look at the bigger picture. A full garage door installation in Salt Lake City can eliminate ongoing issues and give you a system that's properly balanced from day one. And if you're not sure which direction to go, that's exactly why getting a new garage door quote in Salt Lake City matters. It gives you clarity, what it costs to repair, what it costs to replace, and what actually makes sense for your home and your budget. Because at the end of the day, this isn't just about a spring. It's about having a garage door that works the way it should. Smooth, quiet, and reliable every time you use it. No guessing, no struggling, no worrying about what's going to happen next. Just a system that does its job, so you can get on with your day. Call us right now so we can help close the door on stress for you. 385-200-9203.